Alright guys, one thing I wanted to do, this is my first year at the Sema show, just wanted to give you guys just 5 kind of tips to help out with your first Sema show. Number 1, definitely wear some comfortable walking shoes. It is a lot of walking. Also, make sure that you bring plenty of water. For tip number 2 is going to be try and eat early on, like maybe like 11ish, so you can avoid the lunch rush, or maybe bring some snacks with you. That's always a good idea right there to just kind of help get you through the day right there. Tip number 3 would be to walk around. Don't be afraid to talk to people about stuff, ask them about their products. They're more than happy to show you most of the time. But at the same time, just don't waste their time. Let them know what you're there for. If you're like an influencer trying to get trying to get products, stuff like that right there, let them know what you're there for. Don't waste their time on stuff, but kind of just cut to the chase. But again, a lot of them are pretty happy to kind of go over their product with you and stuff like that, so it's pretty nice right there. The 4th recommendation or tip that I would give is, if you're coming for 4 days, what I did is try and do a different haul a day, and then on the last day I kind of just went around and just kind of checked out everything that I didn't get to see. So that worked out pretty good for me. If you're only here for a couple days, plan in advance and look up the booths that you want to go check out and talk to, and just plan it out that way. All right, and last but not least, guys, for the 5th tip, I would say definitely take into account walking time. This place is humongous, and you just got to plan for walking. So I usually try and give myself 20 to 30 minutes walking time, just because you never know how many people you're going to run into if you go outside. You have to go back through security to get in, so you got to account for time walking to different things that you want to go check out, or if you have like a session that you want to go check out, like a panel or something like that they have. Again, you just got to take that into account. But hope that helps you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.